Okay, we'll talk about chapter 12.3. There is the addition and subtraction of polynomials. And in last session, we have already talked about the polynomials can only add or minus when they are like terms. For example, 2x squared plus 3x squared. These two terms are like terms because they are both x squared. Okay, the variable and also the index is totally the same, so we can add them together. So we know that this time the answer 2 plus 3, we know that is 5, so it's 5x squared. Okay, you can simply write down, just think about, is just similar to 2 apples plus 3 apples is equal to 5 apples. Okay, it's very similar, right? When this one are totally the same, we can think that it is an apple, right? Apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, so 5 apple. Okay, so remember, don't write down something like this. Some of you may have some common mistakes that, oh, this one 2 plus 3 is 5, oh, this one, and then become x to the power 4, because you are confused of the index law. You think that they are multiplication, so that x squared times x squared is x to the power 4. This one is not correct, because these two are the like terms. Add them together, this one should be the same, that is, it should be x squared. Okay, 2 apple plus 3 apple will not become apple pie, right? It will also become an apple. So then for about another type of question. For example, sometimes we do not only have one like terms. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 5x plus 7y. And we know that this time we should need to rearrange the terms first. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms here, and these 2 is like terms, and these 2 is another like terms, right? So we can arrange the order. For example, 2x and then the positive 5x put together. For the another terms, that is negative 3y and positive 7y, we put it later. Okay, so these two, add them together is 7x. These two, add them together is positive 4y. So the answer is this one, right? And these two is not like terms, so they cannot add together. Okay, so that's all here. Then we'll talk about after we talk about how to rearrange the order to combine the like terms together, then we'll talk about one of the most common types of question, that is to removing the brackets. For example, sometimes for the same question, for this one, 2x minus 3y plus a bracket 5x plus 7y. Okay, we know that usually for this type of question we are talking about addition or subtraction only. So you know that for addition, usually it is very good. For subtraction, it is not easy to do, right? It's not easy to do. So for addition, usually we can simply remove the brackets directly without changing the size or changing the positive sign or negative sign of the term. For example, this one, we plus brackets 5x plus 7y, we can just remove the brackets by copy the terms directly with the same positive or negative sign. Positive. Okay, then you can calculate the answer again, 2x plus 5x minus 3y plus 7y, and then the answer will become this one, right? But now when this side become a minus, what will be the question like? For example, this one become a minus 5x plus 7y. Then after we remove the brackets, for example, the first term, this one in fact is a positive, so we can just remove the brackets directly again. But for the second bracket, this one is a minus, right? So after we remove the brackets, all the size inside the brackets will be changed. For the first one, this one is a positive 5x, then it becomes minus 5x. For the second one, it is a positive 7y, then it become minus 7y, right? Just change the size. So we arrange the terms again, 2x and then minus 5x, minus 3y, minus 7y. Then this one, 2 minus 5 is negative 3, so negative x. Negative 3 minus negative 7, minus 7 is negative 10. So the answer will be this one. Okay. Then we do one more case. For example, 2x minus 3y minus 5x minus 7y, and then plus 4x minus 6y. Negative 4x plus 6y. Okay, this time you can see we have 3 brackets here, 1, 2, and 3. And inside the brackets we have 2 terms inside this one. For the first one, just copy it, remove the brackets directly. For the second one, because this is a minus, so change all the signs. For the first one is positive 5x, so this one minus 5x. For the second one, it is negative 7y, so it will become positive 7y. For the last term, this one is plus, so the last bracket will be copied directly. That is, first one is minus 4x, second one is plus 6y. Okay. Then arrange these alike terms, 2x minus 5x, and then minus 4x, and then these 3 is alike terms also, so plus 7y plus 6y. And then calculate this one, 2 minus 5, negative 3, and then minus 4 is negative 7. This one, negative 3 plus 7 is 4, plus 6 is 10, so plus 10y. Okay, understand? And then this session also teach you a method how to calculate the this kind of addition or subtraction of polynomials by using vertical operation, right? Vertical operation, and it is in your book, page 23. Okay. You can see a vertical operation, right? And this type of vertical operation usually it is seldom to use to calculate in reality. So I will not teach you in here. You can look at the book by yourself to study by yourself. And also in your examination, usually it does not require you to use this kind of operation to find the answer. Okay, you can use back what we have learned in this video. Okay. So I will talk about some exercise in the next video.